mu bugwanjuba bwa Uganda bannakyewa ba Hope Mbale nabo right now batandise okukyusa obulamu bw'abaana abawala naddala okusosolwa okubadde kutuddwa nga bagenze mu nsonga ez'abakyala okumala ekiseera abawala abavubuka ate bafa kiseere okusibwa amasomero obutafiibwako n'okugwambiza ebitali bimu olwogera mu nsonga olw'embeera project ya right now abavubuka abanguddwa n'okusomesa ebikyusa obulamu bwabwe abawala betuwayizaamu nabo kuliko Sharon Abija ne Florence Yeropo ebalaga obuwanguzi baliko.
One thing that I really appreciate Hope Mbale is they trained us on training on making reusable pads, and that has really helped us a lot because currently most of us here around we make reusable pads, and menstruation has become something very simple. We don't have to invest on buying pads every month.
Olwa project ino wabadde okindira kw'abaana abawala abafudde embuto nga tebanneetuuka okindira ku endwadde ez'obukaba mu bavubuka olw'okufuna amawulire amatoofu ng'akulira ebyobulamu capture Siragi Masiibwa annyonnyola.
Teenage pregnancies, the early marriages has come down, though we are unable to measure it, but from the community department this is oftenly mentioned. The case rate were oftenly high by then, but for now it is reducing. We attribute this again to information and capacity that has been built among the community structures, among the members of the community, the religious leaders, opinion leaders, and as well the health workers.
Masayi gatiddwa ku bibulamu omulalirira ne kiroti kye.
With the youth-friendly corner, which was brought by Hope Mbale, there has been reduced incidences of unsafe abortion at Kasarel Health Center. This is evidence in such a way that even in our maternity register, nowadays we receive around 2 to 3 cases of the youth and the young people who have been helped to be given care after an abortion, which include giving them these services of dilatation and curettage, evacuation and medication, and health education and family planning services.
Liya Nadongo mukwaranganya Hope Mbale asoze ku ebyo bye bateekako essira ddala ku baana ab'obuwala.
Through Right Here Right Now project, we've been able to meet a number of young people, empowering them with life-changing skills on how to make reusable pads, but also how to advocate for their SRHR needs at local and national level. The project did not only look at young people. We've also reached different stakeholders at different institutions, like cultural leaders, religious leaders, and line ministries to talk, to advocate, and push the agenda of young people's SRHR services.
Enteekateeka si ya Hope Mbale yokka wabula okukwatibwa kwa buli omu bitundu by'Essebei ne Elwin ng'abyeko omukulu w'essomero lya Capitol Michael Mangusi n'omukulanga wa poliisi n'omuntu wa bulijjo mu bitundu bya Elwin Zainabo nangu nyina bye bannyonnyola.
We have learned a lot from Hope Mbale, and it has made us to do what? To also go an extra mile to actually purchase most of these other parts, and we have them in our office.
It is too painful when your daughter is being defiled. I felt it when they defiled my daughter. Parents who are here, take the message back. If your daughter or a daughter of your relative or any girl child, if she has been defiled, you report those cases to police.
Kyokomu kubasate Jenete n'abalaya ategeezza nti oluusi abasomesa bawo bakubukyamu eri abayizi.
We have realized that the wrong information sometimes is given by even the teachers who tell them that when you're having those symptoms before menstruation or during menstruation, like the back pain, that some of them are encouraged to have sexual intercourse so that maybe the back pain would end. So we have cleared it by giving them the right knowledge that when you're having backache or stomach pain, you're supposed to do exercise, you're supposed to seek medication from the right medical people so that they understand what is causing it.
Baba kulembeza okole Chipisikiri and Dominic Kiraka District Capture Balance Ring project eno yekyusiza mu bulamu bw'abaana abawala.
Today I'm very grateful that Kapchorwa District Council has passed an ordinance that is going to control teenage pregnancies, enhance sexual reproductive health, most especially to young people, among other things. I want to thank the Council for considering and approving this ordinance.
Olwakino abavubuka naddala bawala muvanjuba bw'eggwanga basobola okugeza eddoboozi lemu ku nsonga ezibanyiga. Leonard Mukoli yakusakidde Green ku Bukedde TV.